my side. I don't believe it's been slitting my throat. That's all I am. I heard your voice